Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Shein app freeze. First of all, you can open the Shein application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply first go to the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on clear cache, and here you can just simply tap on yes to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, the issue is solved, and the issue is not solved, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update the latest version of the app. After updating, you can just simply restart your device, and after restarting your device, the issue is 100% solved. And this is the way you can fix Shein app freeze. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.